Good afternoon. I welcome you to the YouTube channel, A Moment with Rokwaru. Today, I want to discuss a few things on things you should never do. Things you should never do. One, never let anyone get used to treating you poorly. Never allow anyone to mistreat you. It doesn't matter his position. Never allow that. Secondly, never let anyone have full control or authority of your life unless it is somebody in an organization and that organization dictates because of the bureaucracy that this person has to have authority and control over you. But in your normal social life, never allow anyone to have control or authority over your life. Third, never ignore red flags in a relationship. What do I mean? Sometimes you might find certain red signals. Certain signals telling you things are not good. Telling you your friend is not good. Telling you your boyfriend is not good. Your girlfriend is not good. Your wife is having certain behavior. Never ignore those red flags. Never ignore those red flags in a relationship. May it be in dating, in courtship, in marriage. Don't ignore the red flags. The red flags will not become green. People have been thinking they will become green. They end up becoming red as the days goes by. Then the other point is you should learn to say if you don't want something, say no. Don't say yes when in your heart you know it means no. Be open and don't think it doesn't matter what is going to happen. It doesn't matter the outcome. If it is no, say no. If it is yes, say yes. Then another point is never forget to make yourself a priority. Self-care is necessary. Don't forget about your self-care. Don't forget about your life. Don't be so much meshed in an organization, in your working life, until you forget yourself, you forget your health, you forget your life, and then later you come to regret. 6, never ignore your instinct or gut feeling. What your mind, the sixth sense is telling you, don't ignore it. If you want to do something and you feel that there's something else, there's another voice, that silent voice, that small voice, always listen to it. Don't ignore it. And finally, never go on a second date with the people you know are wrong or you know they are bad for you. If these people in the first date you felt they are not good for you, please just don't go for a second date. Going for a second date is a disaster. I hope you have enjoyed this video and probably 1 or 2 points is going to help your life, or even as you share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed to A Moment with Rokwaru, I would encourage you so that the YouTube channel will be able to notify you immediately my video is out. Thank you. Have a great afternoon.